Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make un moro de guandule. The ingredients needed for this recipe are a cardero, a bouillon, olives, garlic, guandoles or pigeon peas, olive oil, canola oil, tomato sauce, a combination of cilantro, salt and pepper, sazon, azafran, oregano, and chicken bouillon, optional soy sauce, sour orange or naranja agria, a red onion, red and green peppers, water, and the washed rice. Mash your garlic in your pilon for about 2 minutes. If you do not own a pilon, you can always just dice your garlic into very small thin pieces so that there's not a huge bite of garlic in your food. Set the stove to low-medium heat and add in your oil and mashed garlic first. Then allow it to cook for about 2 minutes before you add in your guandoles. Once you have added your guandoles, let them cook for about 3 minutes before adding in your bell peppers, olives, and chicken bouillon. After about 5 minutes of simmering, add your sour orange, your red onions, half of the cilantro, half of your seasoning, and let it simmer for about 2 more minutes. You want to let all the flavors come together over the heat. You can tell the guandoles are ready to receive the liquid-based seasoning once some of the green pigments are visible in the pot. What you want to do with the guandoles is you want to cook them in the heat with the seasonings that we've already added into them. You want to cook it in the heat of the oil without adding any of the water or the tomato sauce or the soy sauce just yet, because the heat is what infuses those flavors inside of the guandoles and it makes your entire rice dish extremely flavorful. It already smells delicious. Now you are ready to add the water, soy sauce, remaining seasonings, tomato sauce, and cilantro. Then go ahead and give the pot a good stir. Lastly, put the lid on the pot and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After you bring your water and your condiments to a boil, you want to make sure that you taste the water. Remember, exactly how the water is flavored is exactly how your rice is going to taste. Perfecto. Now that the water has been boiling for about 5 minutes with all of the ingredients, go ahead and add your rice. Wait until the water is no longer visible and give the pot a good stir before placing the lid on. Now let your rice cook for about 20 minutes on low heat. Y listo, qué arroz tan delicioso. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to tune into my next episode. And please hit the like and subscribe button. Y recuerden, una barriga alta es un corazón contento.